Hey y'all, so in today's video we're going to talk about the bastard file or the axe file and different things you can do with it and why you may want to put this in your bug out bag or your bushcraft bag depending on how long you're going to be out for and different things like that. Alright, if you checked out my other video, I used the bastard file in order to make the ripples off of this come off. So that's number one. Alright, so another option you have is when you have a knife and it doesn't have a sharp 90-degree spine, like this one, you can barely get any sparks off there. So with the bastard file, you just take the knife, put it down like this, scrape away. And you're only removing material when you're going straight like this. When you're coming back, it doesn't. You just go straight and it removes material. Alright, let's test it out. As you can see, it's working a lot better now. Alright, and the last tip that I have for you that you can use this for, obviously other than reprofiling an axe if you have a chip in it, flint and steel method. These are high carbon steel. So just take your rock and just use it like a flint and steel normal one. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but slowly burning. So again, the other options that you have is using it as a flint and steel because it is a high carbon steel. You can use it to pre-profile your axe if you got a chip in it. Another option you have is reprofiling the back end of your knife to make it into a sharp 90-degree spine. Another option that you have is to reprofile the edges that are on your Ferro Rod. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. These are just little things that I learned over the years, and hopefully it helps you out, and why I'd recommend having a bastard file in your bug out bag, or even if you're on a long journey, I'd recommend having one of these. So thank you all for watching. Stay safe and enjoy the outdoors. Take care.